let's take a closer look. First of all, the feel of this car is absolutely amazing. It's like going back in time. You don't even feel that this is a restoration. You feel like you're in practically a brand new car. To start one of these, you obviously put the key in the ignition, and then you pull the start button and check out how quickly it starts. And I just had it out, so engine is actually pretty warm. And then it just purrs. We're going to have a closer look at the engine too. Check out the dash. Let's check out the interior. It's actually reasonably comfortable to get in and out. And the steering wheel has a telescopic function right here. It can move in and out. The quality of the interior work and the whole car, the quality of restoration is simply spectacular. Beautiful soft leather, incredible level of detail. When you look under the dash or in the engine compartment or anywhere in the car, you immediately notice that this was a top-of-the-line, concourse level professional restoration job. We're going to continue with an exterior walk of the vehicle, and I'll comment on the vehicle condition again. It is a spectacular prior restoration job. Our listing will have all the details. We'll take a peek under the fenders and some underbody suspension parts, but in the meantime, we're just going around the vehicle and the condition of chrome, the condition of all the details, the nameplates, the gaskets around the lights, the gaskets between body panels, all that is in amazing, spectacular condition. We already showed you the interior. Look at all the typical areas that the restorations usually don't capture. This car is outstanding. And check it, all these, it's a show winner for all these different shows. We'll continue with inspection of body panels, joints and trim. You can see a tiny little bit of cracking right here, and that's really not much to speak about, but I'll mention that. The front end parts, again, all the chrome, all the body lines are simply astonishingly nice. The body lines do not show any dings or dents. Let's take a look on the passenger side. Beautiful curves. And let's take a look at under the vehicle. I have a portable LED light, and we're gonna put some light inside, and you're gonna see that the underbody is just as incredibly nice as the exterior of the vehicle. Look at that black frame. It looks, and the wiring harness, which is a reproduction of the factory original. Let's look at the underbody real quick. Yeah, check this out. This thing is unreal. Rocker panels look like the car just rolled off the factory. And check out the fender wells. I'm going to set up my camera a little bit different for this one. And we have not done any detailing or reconditioning. The owner of the car literally just dropped it off. It took me 2 years to get this car to be represented for sale. He was unsure if he wants to sell it or not. But we have it here, so the decision was made, and we're gonna find a really good home for it. Check out the condition of the suspension. Underbody again. This is an incredible quality prior restoration. That time-proven quality because it lasted years and it has no signs of any deficiencies in the quality of the work. Look at the electrical body lines. There's not a sign of prior welding. It's just the way that this car was done is incredible. It is totally like factory quality. And checking, oops, actually see one screw which we will attach came out. It was not designed for a speaker. But look at the under the dash. Usually that's where you see kind of messy stuff. This is just so incredibly, again, original. All the gauges, everything overhauled and works like on a new car. You look at the wiring harness, everything is incredible condition. The under cowl parts are in incredible original, looks like original condition. Everything has been restored properly. Okay, and check out this MGA engine, all proper labeling to the rivet, all proper clamping to the clamp. Check this out. And it runs absolutely beautiful, gorgeous. All the correct components, everything works and sounds and runs beautiful. Let's hear it. Make sure we're neutral. Nice exhaust tune. Top is in very good condition. Let's take a closer look. As you can see, it has a tonneau cover, and the top is right here behind the seats, which again, we have it on the photos. It looks and works very, very nice. Oh, by the way, here is a small charging port for the battery for when the vehicle is stored. And we're going to put the tonneau cover back on. Since I'm doing video by myself, it would be awfully hard to do it, to put the top up with one hand, but it sure works fine. And we have images to show the top, and it's in very good condition.